Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spicetify not working on Windows 11. Start by opening PowerShell in normal mode. First, upgrade Spicetify, then restore your backup and apply the changes. Once that's done, restart Spotify. This often fixes issues after Spotify updates. If your themes or extensions crash, you'll need to rebuild your configuration. Delete or rename Spicetify configuration file, then set the current theme back to default and apply it again. These rebuilds a fresh config and resets many UI problems. Keep in mind, Spicetify doesn't work with the Microsoft Store version of Spotify. If you have that version, uninstall it completely. Then, download and install Spotify from the official Windows installer. After reinstalling, apply Spicetify again. These should fix black screens and broken UI issues. If cached files are causing problems, close Spotify completely and delete the cached folder in your app data. Next, relaunch Spotify and apply Spicetify again to clear stubborn visual glitches. Finally, if Spicetify cannot update files, make sure to run PowerShell as an administrator when installing or updating Spicetify. Temporarily disable your antivirus software as it may block scripts or prevent file changes. Ensure your user account has full access to the Spotify and Spicetify folders. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.